Welcome to Mac Volkswagen TV.
Hello, this is Joe Hergert with Mac Volkswagen.
At Mac Volkswagen, we like to have fun.
In this video, we're going to show you how to use your parking assist in your 2021 Volkswagen ID4. Always use extreme caution when parking. Check your surroundings and stay alert for children, pets, and other vehicles. In this video, we're going to show you how the parking sonar works in the 2021 Volkswagen ID4. This little circle right here is one of 4 parking sensors in the front of the ID4. We also have one here, and right here, and one more over here. If we go around to the back, you can see your backup camera is right in the middle, right here above the license plate. There we go. And you have another one of those sensors right here. And then another one right here, and one more over here, and one last one right there. So the Volkswagen ID4 has you covered all the way around. We're gonna hop in and put it in reverse. There we go. Take a look at that backup camera. It's nice and crisp. It's got a nice big view for you. We're gonna go ahead and check our mirrors. And then we're going to back up to these cars over here. You can see the green lines are stationary. They help you measure distance. The yellow lines are your predictive steering. You have some on the backup camera and then some on the image behind the car. They predict where you're going to go. Watch as we approach this car. Now you can hear the audible tone, and you can see that we've gotten a line here to warn us that we're getting close to the car. Also, notice how the first green line is right at the bumper of the car behind us. We're going to get out and see how close we are now. With the first green line right at the bumper of the car behind us, this is about how much room we have. So you can see the ID4 has given you plenty of warning. This can help when parallel parking. We're going to get a little closer and see what happens. Going into reverse. Okay, we're getting the audible tone again, and we're going to get close enough to approach with the second green line, right there on the bumper. The beeping is getting faster. You can see the warning lines here. Okay, let's get out and see how close we are. Looked like we were pretty close on that screen, but we've still got a little bit of room. In fact, with the second green line on the bumper, you can still have lots of room to open your back door. This is great for parallel parking. Alright, we're going to get a little bit closer. We're going to go ahead and really test it out. See just how close we can get. It starts beeping even faster, and now you've got nothing but a solid beep. You can see the warning lines here. I want you to get another look at that. Let's put that back on up there for just a second. Okay, solid beep. And you can see the warning lines. Let's get a really close look. See that red line is right there on that bumper. And that beeping is just going off. Okay, let's go see how close we are. Alright, we're going to take a look. Remember, the red line was right on the bumper. Oh, look at that. We're pretty close. Right there. Red line was on the bumper, on that car, on the bottom part. You can see here, it's still giving us enough time. We're more than a hand's length apart. And let's see if we can still get that door open. Alright, so if it's just a normal sedan, we can. I'm not too sure if it was an actual flat-nosed truck. But with a regular car, you've still got enough room to open your door. This is great for parallel parking. Alright, now we're going to go forward. Pop it and drive. And we're going to ease forward toward this Jeep. As we approach, the screen switches to this, and you can see the warning lines right there. Let's see how close we are. Alright, we've still got some room left. I'm going to go ahead and get a little closer for you. And drive again. And as we start to ease forward, the screen switches to the parking screen. There we go. You can see the warning lines. We're going to get just a little closer. A little closer. You can see they're getting a little closer. Alright, you can see we have 3 warning lines. Let's see how close we are now. Pretty close, but we still got some room left. Thanks for watching another Mac Volkswagen video. Come see us at 1920 Northeast, Highway 99 West, McMinnville, Oregon. Or give us a call at 877-721-5794. Mac Volkswagen, in the heart of wine country.